coming right back off that last video. You gotta take a little. Yeah, you gotta see how this shit actually all goes. So we're just gonna keep rolling with it.
I didn't say so.
Hi, buddy. What time is it?
7:22.
That's it? We're already halfway done.
I know we are.
7:22? Yeah,
According to my
boy.
calculations, will be about 8:07.
Okay. I agree with you, Skip. I agree with you. Yeah, we'll see.
Wait, what's your guess?
My guess is when we get done.
Yeah.
No?
Oh, I'm talking when.
Sometime tonight. All right, no, for real though, I'd say before 8:30.
At least it's not tomorrow.
I'd say before 8:30.
Well, yeah, definitely. We got 45 minutes.
Send me a little bit on that one.
We're gonna make your dad step on the gas. We're gonna turn him into a NASCAR driver. Yeah.
Pedal to the metal, huh?
No lane.
So you floor it, boss.
Floor it. Pedal to the metal.
Wow, it's very neat.
Making all that noise.
Oh, that was not.
There you go, there you go.
I hope your cookie in there. I don't see no cookie. Cookie. See a cookie in there? I don't see no cookie. I'm a cookie monster. Oh. Adam, I
What?
have a hypothesis.
What's that? Chips Ahoy. Cookie.
To eat or not to eat?
Oh,
That is the question. Damn it, I'm hungry.
I don't know.
I do.
50-50.
Smell the glove.
Big fish, anything?
Big fish, little fish, blue fish, small fish. One, two, three.
Fish tank. I'm about to get smashed.
Bro, look how low that jet is, bro.
I can almost touch it.
Tell me if I could fly, I could touch the sky.
If you close one eye, you can squish it.
Gosh.
Loud
I wonder why
environment.
you
Sound
see
levels
them
hit 90
that so
decibels.
well.
Next in the garbage truck.
Ow!
Are they supposed to be that low?
I don't know. Ask them. I'm gonna call up there real quick.
Oh.
Get the number off the tail wing.
Hey, Liam, can you see the tail wing?
Wait, what's he asking?
If they're supposed to be that low.
It's not even that
They
low.
could be
No.
having a good, bro.
What,
Huh?
10,000
What if
feet
they
or
landed
something?
out there at the Putnam County Airport?
Canadian Air Force. Look.
Hey,
Look.
they could be landing over
Look, the Canadian Air Force. Right there. You don't see them damn Canadian geese? That's the Canadian Air Force, bro.
No.
You better not mess with them. Tear your ass up.
The Canadian
be over here to beat the butt, buddy. Instead of belt to ass, it'd be beat the butt.
I wonder if that is gonna land in Finley, bro.
It ain't landing no damn Finley. That's way too big. Something's gonna land on your forehead for a Will and Finley.
That's too small.
It ain't too small. You seen that motherfucker yet? You ever seen a storm ship trooper? You seen their forehead? Man, that's you all day, bro. You watch a whole damn movie. I'm not being mean. I'm just telling the truth. Some things you need to know in life. These are
Please
just-
comment in the comments if you think I have a big forehead.
You ain't need to put your forehead in the camera. Don't worry.
will.
You know what I'm gonna do for this one? I'm gonna find a video of you with your forehead exposed, and I'm gonna put your ass as a thumbnail. Straight.
You won't do it.
Oh, I will, with a jet flying in like this, right on your fucking forehead.
No, you won't.
This is what it looks like to be bald and have an airport for emergency landings. Some people think this is the only way you can grow hair, and it's not. Oh, you gotta be careful doing this. Because you don't want this shit to break. Yeah. Well, I know that, but that's what I said. I didn't want you to have it right here and fly out. I'll do it again. I'm a genius. Do it again.
Stop telling me what to do.
You do it again, I'm not telling you what to do.
No, not enough. The same thing with different. What cigarette?
Why does it smell like hot dog flavored water?
Because that's you. Every time you moved your armpit, that's what it smelled. Hot dog flavored water.
Bro, that's fucked up.
Chocolate starfish and hot dog flavored
Making me
water.
hungry for hot dogs.
And a chocolate starfish.
I already said that.
Give me something to break! That's how that album, that's the name of that song. Give me something to break. It is, I swear to God it is.
No, it just breaks stuff.
Yeah, break stuff, that's what it is. Whatever, bro, you know what I was talking about. You know, same thing but different. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
Not a normal biscuit, a limp biscuit.
Limp biscuit. Not a wet biscuit. Limp biscuit.
Probably gonna demonetize this video now.
I don't know, well, you just don't add yeast.
Whoa.
I figured it out. You got issues, bro. You got issues.
Me or him?
I don't know, bro.
All of the above?
No.
No. Okay.
What's the Canadian Air Force doing out here, bro? Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Watch out for free range chicken.
Right?
They don't got to see.
Like I said, guys, you know. 8 minutes. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. See you guys in the next one.